Constellation Energy is acquiring Calpine, the largest U.S. producer of energy from natural gas. It's a cash and stock deal. It's now valued, given that move up in Constellation Energy stock price, at roughly $19 billion, perhaps even a bit more. Joining us now for more on the deal is Constellation Energy CEO Joe Dominguez. Joe, good to have you this morning. In the title of your deck to sort of explain what's going on here, you call it Creating the Right Company at the Right Time. So why is this the right company, and why is this the right time?
Well, Dave, let me start by saying Happy New Year to you. I almost fell off my chair a moment ago when I heard Jim Cramer on your show here talk about me as some sort of expert. But look, here's what we were thinking. We wanted to create the kinds of capabilities and put them together that will power the U.S. economy at a very special time where we're seeing significant growth, not only in the data economy, but really across the board in a lot of different regions. So we like to follow where our customers need us, and that's what we think we've done here.
Yeah, I mean, you're talking about unprecedented demand growth projected for the U.S. It's not just your expectations. They're broadly shared. What gives you the confidence that's going to be correct?
Well, look, I think what gives me the confidence is that we're seeing the activity on the ground. You know, Microsoft the other day announcing $80 billion of data center spend. That's one data point, but it's a significant one. The number of interconnection requests we're seeing for new customers and load of a size and scale we haven't seen for many of us in our lifetime. So all of the data points are going in the same direction as you know, and as you pointed out, it's not just us saying it. We're seeing a lot of activity on the ground, and the grid operators are predicting it in their forecasts.
Yeah, well, and that's resulting, obviously, in what you're continuing to see is 13% EPS growth for a long period of time, and now you're talking about a 20 to 25% addition as well to that base case as a result of this deal. Joe, what gives you the confidence that you can meet those kinds of growth targets?
We've got a great team, and Calpine, has a wonderful team. We've been delivering on that for 3 years in a row now. And so when you have the best team and the best collection of assets, you have a lot of confidence. That's where I sit.
Natural gas is going to be around for a long time, or so you say. Why is that?
Because we can't grow zero emission megawatts that fast to meet this growing demand. We knew that before this load growth. I think it's powerful that even in California, which has been leading the energy transition, the grid operators are saying that they're going to need natural gas at these volumes for decades to come. That was before, frankly, we've seen some of these revisions in load forecasts. And the story is true across America. The load that we're seeing coming on, the demand that we're seeing coming on, particularly from the data economy, is 24/7 energy demand. Right. We're not just going to be able to meet that with intermittent resources. Renewables are incredibly important to the future of the country. They'll continue to be very important. But the reality is they don't run all the time. They're unpredictable. We need resources that could step in and meet the consistent demand that we're getting from our customers. So we need a collection of different resources to work together. That's what we're building here at Constellation.